How do you get people all over the world to talk about trucks? That was the challenge when Volvo Trucks introduced 5 new models within 12 months. We created a series of films testing new features. Highly relevant for the core target group, but at the same time, spectacular and entertaining enough to attract a broad audience. Why? Because truck buyers are surrounded by a lot of influencers, like drivers, friends, and families.
This is a hook from the new Volvo FMX. Made of cast iron, and it holds up to 32 tons.
This means 300mm ground clearance, just a little bit more than my head.
One of the tests was turned into an interactive 360 experience. Users were invited to take control of 28 cameras to see more angles and share behind-the-scenes footage. The live tests were accompanied by ads in trucking press and followed up by in-depth interviews with the engineers. This was done both in printed and digital form. The aim for each new live test was to increase the fan base, building up for the grand finale of 2013.
Who can say where the road